You know, she was slaying Terry Miller today. Just slaying Terry Miller. So I'm looking around back there, Joe, your wife, Stephanie, that girl played some ball today. That was great to see that today. I mean, that girl came out, that little petite thing like that, she's kicking butt today. It was great, you know. But you know, it's funny because I got in the industry back in 1995, 96, about that time. At that time I was painting cars. Don't know my background, painting cars back then. And anyways, got in the industry to have fun and make money. And that first year or two, we had that. There was a company that was out there that was growing extremely fast, and it was fun because we went to a banquet like this when Laura and I first got involved, and it was down in New Orleans. Never forget that. We went in there, and they were raffling off a Porsche 911. Now, that got my attention as a brand new guy in the business. Like, wow, whatever these guys are doing, we might be a part of this whole thing, you know? So anyways, that company went out of business, took about $65,000 out of my pocket, too. They owed me on paychecks. So well, you got an idea of how the business worked. Got into another company, and for the last 15 years, been with that company, and did well with it, but we weren't having fun. And even my kids noticed that we weren't having fun, because my kids were used to this. I'm so glad that Brandon's got his little guys here, Kai and Millie. They grew up in this atmosphere. Your kids want nothing else to do in life. I promise you. They don't know Dad has a job. I don't really, you know, they ask, like, you know, if the teachers, they say, what's your dad do? He stays at home, screws off, and makes money, you know? I mean, that's the thing they get, because I don't have a job title, and I'm not, you know, a traditional guy, and I'm basically unemployable, you know? And when I actually hooked up with these guys, I'm really, really, really glad, wherever Danny's at tonight, Danny, and for chasing me down for a year, and then Terry Miller for actually closing me on that deal, because when Terry finally called, I hadn't seen Terry in a long time. We used to party together, you know. Obviously, you guys have seen us doing a little bit the last couple of days here at the event, and we like to have fun. And when I come out at this event, you know, Lori and I come out, and this is what we were looking for. We wanted a lifestyle again. I didn't care about the X's and O's on the comp plan. Brandon showed me that comp plan when I went out to Texas. I really didn't care about the comp plans. But when they showed me that lifestyle program about the $100,000 and the Mercedes and the Porsche, because I had just gotten to that point in my other company this past June, and they didn't even give me a steak dinner. And when I went out and met Rudy, he said, well, by the way, if you'd have done the same thing here, we'd have given you $100,000 in a wheelbarrow. We'd have given you a Mercedes and a Harley Davidson. My wife looked at me, she about smacked me with a hammer over the head. She goes, what are you waiting for? And that's what I said. I said, let's get involved with these guys and have fun. So I'm really glad you guys, we met a lot of people out here, Tanya and Lee and you guys, Dee Dee, obviously. I'm glad that girl put you on the right bus yesterday with us. That was definitely a head rush, you know what I mean? So, and if you call Clem, if she answers the phone, I'll be surprised, okay? So anyways, you guys have a great time tonight. Let's go back tomorrow and kick some butt. See you, man.